Hello guys, in my last video we talked about type hinting in Python, and now in this video we're going to talk about type checking. So for type checking we are going to use a third-party library called mypy, and first of all let's try to install it. So for installing mypy, all you have to do is just use a very simple pip command, which is pip install mypy. So that's it, that will install mypy for you. So now let's take some example. I have written a very simple code in which I have created a function called list underscore sum, which takes a list L whose expected data type is a list of integers, and the output is int. Okay, it's as simple as that. And now I have created my list and I'm just calling list underscore sum function, and that's it. So this is a very simple program that I have written, and now let me run it using mypy. So basically you cannot run a program using mypy, but you can check your already written program for any kind of type errors using mypy. So how do you do it? All you have to do is you have to just write mypy and then the name of the file that you want to run. So it's called test.py. My file is test.py. So I'm just writing mypy test.py, and if I run it, it ran and it showed some no error. So it means that my file currently contains no type errors. Okay, so the type checking was done and no type error, potential type error was found in my code. So this type of checking is actually called static type checking, because it is being done even before my program is running, right? So on the already written code, mypy was run and it checked that no such kind of error was happening in terms of the type error, which was violating your type hints. So now let's say I want to violate the type hints, and I'm just going to pass a string as the last element of my list called my list. So now if I just try to run again mypy test.py, I'm gonna get something like this. Look at that. On the ninth line, it shows me an error that argument 1 to my function list sum, which is L, it has incompatible type list object, because it was expecting list of integers but it got a list of objects. So basically any list which contains different types of elements, it becomes a list of objects. So here I am passing a list of objects, but a list of integers was expected here. So that's why type checking was done, and it was found out that there was some violation of the type hints using mypy. So mypy is a quite handy tool, and you can use it for checking your Python program for any kind of type errors before actually using it and running your program. So this is how you use mypy. If you still have any doubts, you can put them in the comment section below. That's it from this video. Thanks for watching.